name is Samriddhi M. Salian and I'm studying in class 10. Regarding One Mahotsav, our school has launched many activities and projects that highlighted various aspects on Mother Earth, like pollution, the reduce, reuse, and recycle, using water resources carefully, and observing plants in our nature. Our school has always given us many opportunities to love, respect, and care Mother Earth. The most fun and enriching activity that class 9 and 10 had was quiz time. In quiz time, we had learned the names of many medicinal plants native to Mangalore and around the globe. We also learned about the names of environmentalists who sacrificed their life for nature.
Dear staff, parents, and my dear students, the World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th every year. But in India, we celebrate in the first week of July as Vana Mahotsav. In St. Aloysius Gonzaga School, Vana Mahotsav is celebrated with a month-long project. This year, we have named this project as Go Green with the theme Go Green, Grow Green. I'm very happy and delighted to inform you that all the students have wholeheartedly participated in this Go Green project. Therefore, congratulations to all of you dear students for participating in all the activities of Go Green project. Congratulations to the organizers, Ms. Deepa Karkada and Ms. Shilpa Ballal, and also the class teachers for supporting and executing this project. Every year, the International Environment Day is celebrated with a theme. And this year, the theme of the Environment Day was biodiversity. As you know, there is so much diversity in our environment and in nature. We see this diversity in the plant world, the animal world, birds, insects. For that matter, if you take anything, there is so much of diversity. Unfortunately, this diversity is slowly disappearing due to human manipulation, greed, and selfishness. As a result, we see a lot of natural calamities taking place. Of late, there were bush burns in Brazil, United States, Australia, to locust infestation in East Africa, recently in India, and this whole COVID-19 pandemic which has struck the world is a sign that there is imbalance in the nature, and it is giving us a strong message that we need to live a harmonious life. Therefore, it's a great call to each and every one of us to protect our environment, to be environment activist. And we have a beautiful example in the person of Greta Thunberg from Sweden, who at the young age became an environment activist by calling for school strike on Fridays in our own school. She sat outside her school on protest on Fridays with a placard, #Friday for Future. Today, she has become a world famous personality, addressing the leaders, calling them for action towards change, especially change in terms of environmental policies, so that the environment becomes once again a place for everyone to live in. Therefore, I invite all of you, my dear students, to protect this environment, to do your bit to make this environment a better place to live in for you and for all of us. Wish you all the best. Stay safe.
morning. I'm Anusha Malya of class 9B and I recently joined the school. I took part in the science quiz, a Go Green initiative in the month of July. This quiz gave me a platform to learn about new and wonderful things about our environment, our nature, different species of plants and animals that I would otherwise not have come across. Participating in this quiz gave me an opportunity to make new friends and to learn from them. I stood third in this quiz and I'm very happy about it. And to sum it all up, I would like to say that it was a very competitive, fun, and a learning experience, and I would love to take part in more such activities.